Let me show you how you can get Meta verified on Instagram. Before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. So now, without further ado, let's follow me as I go to show you step by step how to get Meta verified on Instagram. Let's go. First of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right your picture, and you go to your profile. And then at the top right, you can see the three lines, which is the burger icon. Just click on it. Then you can see this thing called for professionals, Meta verified. Click on Meta verified. Okay, this will take a few seconds. So you can see it depending on which location you are at. I'm in Malaysia, so that's why I'm in Malaysia ringgit. So when you see it starts, it's only 41.99 per month after that. So there's a few different packages, but I think the difference of the packages are mostly for the adding links to Reels and also the enhanced support. So you can see the more expensive, the more support you get. Well, I think it's free, I guess. Okay, so I wanted to go with standard. Okay, then you unlock benefits. So you can choose two profile or one profile. I only want my Instagram to be verified because I'm looking to grow the Instagram account. So let's just click on continue with one profile. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, they got discount only for first month. I think like a trial. After that, it will be the full price. So you can see you can get all these features. Click on continue. So just double click to confirm. So I'm actually paying directly using my app store. All right. Click on OK. So if you have a credit card in your app store, whether you're on Android or on iPhone, you will directly receive payment from there. Okay. Then you'll go for review in progress. It will take up to 48 hours, but shouldn't be a problem if your account has been there for some time. So there's some information that they mentioned. All right. First of all, you need to be authentic, of course. You need to be unique. So there's only one account. Your account must be public. So my account is already in public. And also a few things that you need to be sure, which is you do not change your details very often for the past few months. And then this account has been around for a few years, so I think it should be alright. Then click on OK, and then you just wait. Okay, supposedly you need to wait 48 hours for it to come back, but after I refresh, I straight away get the blue tick. So I guess the moment you pay, you'll get verified. So yeah, so that's how easily you can get verified. Thank you so much for following me step by step on getting verified. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.